Australia is a land of breathtaking diversity, offering visitors an abundance of natural wonders, vibrant cities, and unique wildlife. From the ancient rainforests of the north to the dramatic deserts of the interior, the country's vast landscapes offer endless opportunities for exploration. This essay highlights the top must-see attractions in Australia, drawing attention to the most iconic landmarks and experiences that make this country a top destination for travelers worldwide. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most remarkable natural wonders of the world, and is often the top attraction for visitors to Australia. Located off the northeastern coast of Queensland, it is the largest coral reef system on Earth, spanning over 2,300 kilometers and consisting of nearly 3,000 individual reefs and 900 islands. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to an extraordinary array of marine life, including over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and several species of sharks, rays, and sea turtles. One of the most popular ways to explore the reef is through snorkeling or scuba diving. Cairns and the Whitsunday Islands serve as key gateways to this underwater paradise. In addition to diving, visitors can also experience the reef by taking a glass-bottom boat tour, viewing the vibrant marine ecosystem without getting wet. The reef's beauty is unmatched, and its fragile ecosystem has made it a focus for conservation efforts as climate change and pollution threaten its existence. Sydney, the largest city in Australia, is home to two of the most recognizable icons in the world, the Sydney Opera House and Sydney Harbour Bridge. The Sydney Opera House, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the most distinctive and famous buildings globally, with its white sail-like roof structures standing out against the blue of the harbour. Designed by Danish architect Jorn Utzon and completed in 1973, the Opera House is a world-renowned performance venue for music, theatre, and dance. Visitors can attend a performance at the Opera House or take guided tours that offer a behind-the-scenes look at this architectural marvel. Adjacent to the Opera House is the equally famous Sydney Harbour Bridge, affectionately known as the coat hanger due to its unique shape. For an unforgettable experience, visitors can participate in the bridge climb, a guided ascent to the top of the bridge. Rising majestically from the flat desert landscape of the Northern Territory, Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is one of Australia's most significant natural and cultural landmarks. Standing 348 meters high and stretching 3.6 kilometers in length, Uluru is a massive sandstone monolith revered by the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of the land. For them, Uluru is a sacred site with deep spiritual significance. Watching Uluru at sunrise or sunset is a quintessential Australian experience as the rock transforms into different shades of red, orange, and purple depending on the time of day. Visitors to Uluru Kata Chuta National Park can also take guided tours with Aboriginal guides, learning about the rich cultural history and spiritual stories associated with this ancient formation. The Great Ocean Road. A scenic drive along this route is one of the most iconic road trips in Australia. This highway winds along the rugged southern coast of Victoria, offering stunning views of cliffs, beaches, and the Southern Ocean. The most famous highlight along this route is the 12 Apostles, a group of limestone rock stacks that rise dramatically from the ocean, though there are currently only 8 remaining due to erosion. The Great Ocean Road is also home to numerous other natural wonders including Lockhart Gorge, London Arch, and the Gibson Steps. The picturesque towns of Torquay, Lorne, and Apollo Bay make great stopping points along the way, offering access to excellent surf beaches and walking trails. Wildlife enthusiasts can spot koalas, kangaroos, and bird species in the Great Otway National Park. The Daintree Rainforest, located in far north Queensland, is the oldest continually surviving tropical rainforest in the world, estimated to be over 135 million years old. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Daintree is home to an extraordinary range of biodiversity, including thousands of plant species and countless animals, such as the endangered cassowary, a large flightless bird, and the rare Bennett's tree kangaroo. Visitors can take guided tours through the rainforest exploring its lush greenery, ancient trees, and diverse wildlife. Mossman Gorge, a popular destination within the Daintree, offers walking trails, swimming in crystal-clear rivers, and the opportunity to learn about the traditional owners of the land, the Kuku Yalanji people. The Daintree Rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef at Cape Tribulation, making it one of the few places in the world where two UNESCO World Heritage Sites converge. Kakadu National Park, located in the Northern Territory, is another UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Australia's largest and most impressive national parks. Spanning nearly 20,000 square kilometers, Kakadu is a land of contrasts, with vast wetlands, rugged escarpments, waterfalls, and ancient rock art sites. The park is known for its rich indigenous heritage, with rock art dating back over 20,000 years at sites such as Ubir and Nurlangi. These artworks depict traditional stories, Dreamtime figures, and representations of everyday life. Kakadu is also home to an abundance of wildlife, including crocodiles, which can be seen on river cruises in the park's wetlands. During the dry season, visitors can swim in the refreshing natural pools at Gunlum Falls, or explore the stunning scenery of Jim Jim Falls and Twin Falls. Tasmania's wilderness and Cradle Mountain. Australia's island state of Tasmania is renowned for its pristine wilderness, and Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park is one of the most beautiful and popular destinations on the island. Part of the Tasmanian Wilderness World Heritage Area, this park is known for its alpine landscapes, ancient rainforests, and glacial lakes. The Overland Track, a 65-kilometer hiking trail through the heart of the park, is one of Australia's most famous walks, and takes trekkers past some of the country's most spectacular scenery, including Cradle Mountain itself. Shorter walks are also available, such as the Dove Lake Circuit, which offers stunning views of Cradle Mountain and the surrounding landscape. Tasmania is also home to unique wildlife, including the Tasmanian devil, which can be seen at wildlife sanctuaries around the island. Fraser Island, located off the coast of Queensland, is the largest sand island in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This unique destination offers visitors a diverse range of natural attractions, from rainforests growing on sand dunes to freshwater lakes and long stretches of pristine beaches. One of the highlights of a visit to Fraser Island is swimming in the crystal-clear waters of Lake Mackenzie, a perched lake formed from rainwater and set against a backdrop of white sand and lush forest. Other popular attractions include Eli Creek, a freshwater creek where visitors can float downstream, and the Mahino Shipwreck, a rusted hull that serves as a reminder of the island's maritime history. Fraser Island is also home to a population of wild dingoes, one of the purest strains of this native Australian dog species. Visitors can explore the island by four-wheel drive, as there are no sealed roads, adding to the sense of adventure. Located just a short drive west of Sydney, the Blue Mountains offer a spectacular escape into nature with dramatic cliffs, deep valleys, and lush eucalyptus forests. The area is named for the blue haze created by the oil droplets released by the eucalyptus trees, which hang in the air and scatter blue light. The Three Sisters, an iconic rock formation at Echo Point near Katoomba, is one of the most famous sites in the Blue Mountains and is steeped in Aboriginal legend. Visitors can take in the views from various lookouts, hike through the scenic trails, or ride the scenic railway, the steepest passenger railway in the world. The Blue Mountains are also home to beautiful waterfalls, such as Wentworth Falls and Lura Cascades, as well as the Jenolan Caves, a network of limestone caves that are among the oldest and most spectacular in the world. Located off the coast of South Australia, Kangaroo Island is a haven for wildlife and offers visitors an opportunity to experience Australia's natural beauty in a relatively untouched setting. The island is home to a variety of native animals including kangaroos, koalas, sea lions, and echidnas, making it a must-visit for wildlife enthusiasts. Seal Bay Conservation Park allows visitors to get up close to a colony of Australian sea lions, while the island's pristine beaches such as Vivon Bay provide ideal spots for swimming and relaxation. In addition to its wildlife and natural beauty, Kangaroo Island is known for its gourmet food and wine, with local producers offering fresh seafood, cheeses, and artisanal products. Australia's diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and unique wildlife make it one of the most exciting destinations in the world. From the underwater beauty of the Great Barrier Reef to the ancient rock formations of Uluru, and from the rugged coastlines of the Great Ocean Road to the wild rainforests of Tasmania and Queensland, each attraction offers a unique experience for travelers. Whether seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural exploration, Australia's top must-see attractions offer something for everyone. These landmarks are not only key elements of Australia's identity, but are also windows into the extraordinary natural beauty and cultural richness that the country has to offer. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching.